How to change portrait video to landscape in the Filmora app. If you have been using the Filmora app to edit your videos and photos and now wondering on how to change the portrait video to the landscape, then don't worry, in today's video I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Filmora app just like this. After opening the app, make sure you have added the video that you want to edit just like this. Now you can see the video is now on the portrait mode. Now to change it to landscape, tap onto video track just right here. Then here you can find the crop option right here. Now tap on it. Now to change it to landscape, simply choose the landscape option, which is this one and this one. Now choose one of these just like this. And now you can see the landscape has been added. Now tap onto the check mark. And now you can see the video has been changed. And that's it. This is how you can change the portrait video to landscape. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.